Hey everyone, my name is Jaidis Burnell, and I'm going to be doing my summary on a website called Storybird. Okay, so what is Storybird? Storybird is a great learner-based online tool for readers and writers. Storybird is an online tool for developing language knowledge, especially reading comprehension and writing. It allows everyone to create and share their own stories. What does Storybird do? So Storybird provides online courses, challenges, and reader feedback that will help students improve their writing. Students, teachers, parents, and tutors can design picture books on their own or work in teamwork. It allows everyone to make visual stories in seconds. Storybird um has three different centers of stories. The first one is picture books, the second one is long form books, and the third one is poetry. How to use Storybird. So like every website, you have to create an account. When you go into Storybird's website, you should end up at the home page. After that, you click on the blue sign up button in the middle of your browser and create your account. So Storybird offers two different accounts. The first one is the personal account, and that's more like for parents or students who take the initiative to start using Storybird. And the second one is a school account. Next, you are able to select different challenges that Storybird provides. Within those challenges, there's basic writing, creative writing, children's song, and leveled readings. You are also able to read from different stories that are published into Storybird, and you are able to read picture books, long form stories, comics, flash fictions, and poetries. And you are also able to write and publish into Storybird. The type of books that you are, the type of stories that you are able to publish can be picture books, long form stories, comics, flash fiction, and poetry. So basically, what you're able to read, you are also able to publish. So how can you use Storybird in your classroom? So anyone is able to browse through a gallery of professional artwork until they find an inspiring image that they can then write a story or poem with. The site also offers resources for teachers like writing lessons and private classroom settings. Storybird's tools inspire young people to build confidence and creativity in their writing. Teachers can create and review and comment on submitted stories. Teachers can also check on the progress of their students' work. It is also a good tool for peer editing. Teachers are able to invite up to 40 students to join their classroom, and they have access to unlimited courses and challenges which are aligned with common teaching standards. So what are the highlights that Storybird has? Storybird allows schools and teachers to try the site before purchasing. I think that this is amazing because it allows um, these schools and teachers and parents and whoever's interested in the site to have the 7-day trial before actually purchasing, so they're able to see what they're actually getting themselves into. Storybird also develops its service with the classroom in mind, as users can filter stories and artwork by age and topic. This is super helpful because you are able to browse what you're looking for by filtering per your needs instead of just going ahead and sorting through everything. Another highlight of Storybird is that students are able to practice writing skills, which include organization and the usage of grammar. Storybird also stimulates learners' creativities from supplied pictures. Pitfalls. So I feel like every website has pitfalls. Some of the pitfalls that Storybird has is that it limits creativity, I feel, on pictures. So students and teachers are not able to upload their own pictures or drawings to add to their stories. I think this is a bit of a pitfall because um, you have to select from their art gallery instead of having your own picture uploaded. Another thing is that they do have limits on word for each page. So students and teachers creating stories are unable to write more than a certain amount per page. So my personal opinion, I feel like Storybird is a good website. It's interactive. It allows students and teachers to be creative. I think they offer a reasonable price. They have a one-time annual fee for the personal accounts of $59.98, or they can make monthly payments of $8.99 per month. For schools, they offer up to 50% off for the yearly school membership. And with this membership, you are giving 100 to 200 access codes for students. I also think that something good is that this website does not have ads. So it's good because it allows students not to get distracted. Okay, my questions to you are, do you think this tool really helps students read, or do you just think the normal reading from a book helps? And my other question is, do you feel charges are worth it? As I mentioned, I personally feel like the charges are worth it. But I want to know, how do you feel about the charges? And lastly, what else do you feel is needed on this site?